Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I do my braid down. I like to do a braid down about once or twice a month to protect my hair underneath my wigs. Wearing wigs has helped me grow out my hair tremendously. So this is just typically what I will do. These are the products I used. I used the Braid and Edge Gel. This is the Push It. I also used the For You by Tia leave-in curl cream. And then we used the Rizos Curls Detox Oil. So these are my braid length. I'm super proud of them and how long they're going. I want my braids like longer. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I figured I'll show you guys how I braid my hair down since it's such a big part of my routine. My tools today are a comb, this Push It, this Braid and Edge Gel by the Dew. Okay, and then we have some clips. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I don't always use a comb to part my whole head down. The past few braid downs I've been doing like just straight backs, but I'm going to go back to just taking a little piece in the front, and this is going to be all of my breakage essentially, and we're just going to pull that, and then the rest we'll do straight backs. So this is obviously not a good part, so we'll go clean it up with our comb. I am not the best parter, you guys. Okay, so that'll be our part right there. Okay, so this is about all the hair. You can literally see this here. So I actually kind of want to try twisting it today. I want to see what a twist would look like, because maybe the braids were just too much pressure, and I wonder if I can get like a really smooth twist down. And then with a combination of that, yeah, I think I'm gonna try a twist down. Let's see. I just can't believe this breakage. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay, so, all right, let's get into this braid gel. See the texture come out. So we're just gonna go through. Just gonna see if we get a good twist in. Alright, so now that we're down here, I'm actually going to switch it to a braid because we want this to last. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate it into three and braid it this way. I've never done this before. I'm totally just trying something new, you guys, because to keep doing the same thing is insanity, and I pretty much look like I'm on the brink of, you know, having a little more hair loss than I'd like. So hopefully this works out. If not, I'll just do like a super light braid and we'll see how it looks when I put the wig on. But yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I was a little shook, or I've been a little shook past few months, noticing how much of my edges are gone. And I've been wearing wigs for like close to 10 years now, so I guess it's only a matter of time. But I will say the past year I haven't been taking my wigs off properly, and I have been a little bit more stressed. So it just happens, it's life. You're not gonna have perfect hair all the time. That's something I have to keep telling myself. Hair is a journey, so yeah. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I don't know, I think like once I pull it into another braid, it'll be fine. But hopefully like this is a lot nicer. We'll just have to see. Okay, so let's see how I'm gonna do the rest of my braid down. Oh my gosh, braid downs are so much. Maybe we'll do all this way. Do I feel like doing that today? I don't know how I want to braid my hair down today. Let's see. We have to do, it's important that you switch up your pattern. My cousin was telling me that when I've told her like, hey, I think I'm starting to get a little bit of breakage. She was like, you can't always wear your braids in the same braid pattern. So yeah, like I said, the past few braid downs I've done, they've been straight backs, so we gotta switch something up. So let's try this little piece here. I don't know, is this still giving straight backs? I'm not sure. I think I know how I'm gonna do this. And you guys, it is a braid down. It does not have to be perfect. Like you're gonna be wearing cornrows or whatever. Just like, I know my part looks crazy. So you just gotta do something that's gonna get you something flat. And don't overthink it. Oh, okay. Started braiding into this hair because it's so loose. So to remind myself, probably have to go back and fix this one. We do it again. Okay, pull this back over, and then for the lengths of my hair, I like to add some braid gel as well. So yeah, I'm thinking something like that. I don't know, we might have to go and braid this closer. But okay, you guys get the gist. I am going to get a few more braids in and come back and tell you guys how it's going. Let me know what you guys think about the braid down. I will say this is not my favorite braid gel. I was really excited to be able to try it. I think I got it maybe either from CVS or TJ Maxx. So I was super excited to try this because the do has some great products. But I did find that it does leave a little bit of residue for me. This residue could also be from the Sacred Edge drops from last night. So maybe it didn't leave as much residue back here. But besides that, I think it has a really great hold and grip. It's not too strong. It's like a nice balance, but I think just the residue it leaves isn't my favorite. I love this curl cream. It's so good. The 40 by Tia line is slept on. This stuff is so good. Like, this is what I use to moisturize the ends of my hair too. And then Riso's Curls Detox Oil is always good. I love all of their oils. They're really good. The order that I like to do my braid outs in is edge control in the roots and then oil all the way down, and then I'll seal it all in with cream. I think they have like the liquid oil cream method. So technically like there should be liquid first, but it's not how I like to do my braid outs because I blow dry my hair first. So just putting too much water on it kind of undoes it essentially. I will say at the beginning, I know you guys saw, I was trying to put this on the ends of my hair to braid it down, and that just was a disaster because I was literally ripping through my hair. This just coated the hair way too much that I couldn't get it through. When you put too much water when you're trying to braid your hair down, like I said, it's gonna like start to tangle it. So oil is really the best thing for me because it helps me glide through while I'm braiding, and it just makes the braid out so much easier. So through throughout the next couple of weeks, I'll be applying curl cream to my ends, sealing with oil, and then I know you guys saw this in the Garnier Fructis video. It's supposed to be using it for curls, but I don't really wear my hair curly, so I'm just gonna be using this as a moisturizer. So yeah, that's pretty much my hair routine. Wash it, blow dry it, braid it up, oil it down, spray it, add some cream, and then we'll do edge drops on my edges. I'll probably end up washing the front a couple times and retwisting just to keep it fresh. But I am hoping that the twist out helps with like less pulling in the braids. We'll see. If you guys have any tips for regrowing your edges or just hair growth tips in general, drop them in the comments below and let me know what videos you guys want to see next. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.